Hi guys! All right, so I'm so excited that we get to do a little bit of calendar today with our Screencastify. So I pulled up our calendar and I'm going to make it just a little bit smaller so that we can see everything. I'm not going to play any of the videos, but I figured that I'd start us off right away. So here we are, we're still in March. So we're going to go through our days until we get to today's date, which is the 24th. So ready, we're going to count there. So we're going to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and now here we are on the 24th. So I'm going to move our bus back just a little bit. I wonder if you know why we have a rainbow for our pattern this time. I bet a lot of you can figure that one out. So I'm going to come on over here to say that today is, I'm going to look at my bus. I'm going to come down. I see that T for Tuesday. So I'm going to put Tuesday on the line. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was, so if I backed up the bus a little bit, we would see that yesterday was Monday. So I'm going to pull down Monday. Yesterday was Monday. And then finally, tomorrow will be, meaning if I moved my bus forward, tomorrow will be, you guessed it, Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. All right, the next one is for you to do. I'm going to give you a couple of seconds to figure it out. So let's look at it. We're looking at our double 10 frames. So as you can see, I've covered up one of our problems. Your job is to tell me how many pots of gold are on our double 10 frames. For a challenge, can you write me the number sentence that shows this number? So I'm going to give you a couple seconds. Think about how many is in this 10 frame. That's usually how I start, and then I count on. I'm going to give you about 5 more seconds, and I'm going to start to write out the answer. All right, I'm going to pull out my texting tool. I'm going to make it bigger. All right, ready? I'm going to say that there are 10. Let's try that again. 10 plus, 10 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals, and then we know that 10 plus 4 is 14. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger so you can see my whole answer, and I'm going to put it in there. I saw a group of 10 first, and then I counted on. So I said 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right, ready for our next problem? So I'm going to put this away. That way we don't get confused by it. And I'm going to move our blocker on top of this one and let you try this problem. Remember, how much is up on top first? So I'm going to give you 10 seconds on your own, and then I'll start again. All right, while you're writing, I'm going to start in as well. So I'm going to be up in my white box. I'm going to start again. All right, oops. I know that there's a group of 10 to start with. Now I'm going to count on 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So I know that 17 is 10 plus 7 equals 17. There's my answer. 10 plus 7 equals 17. All right. If you didn't get that answer, figure out why. Did we not count our group of 10, or did we just miscount how many was down in our second 10 frame? Okay, we're moving right along. We're into number bonds. I moved them sideways, so I'm going to let you be creative with one of them. So my first one, I'm going to give you most of the answers. So I'm going to say 6 is our whole, and 4 is one of the parts. So we're looking at part, whole. So 4 plus what equals 6? Or 4 and makes 6. Think about that for a second. Use your fingers, draw a picture, use your number line. 4 plus what equals 6? All right, I'm ready. I'm going to use my number line down here. If I have 4 and I want to count up to 6, let's see how many it takes. 4, so 1, 2. It took me 2 hops to get to 6. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. All right, my next one, I'm going to give you both parts. You give me the whole. I'm going to say 2 plus 3 equals what? This one should be easy for us. 2 plus 3. Use those fingers if you need to. 2 fingers and 3 fingers equals. Ready? Let's check on in. I see 2, and now I'm going to count on. 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3 equals 5. All right, our last one, I'm going to let you be creative. You have the number 10. Give me a problem that equals 10. I have neither addend there. So you're coming up with both parts to make 10. What and what makes 10? I bet a lot of you can come up with different ideas. I think I'm going to come up with one that's going to be a little bit trickier. Let's think. Let's see, if I started with 7, how many more do I need to make 10? So 7, I'm going to use my fingers on this one. You can't see it. But if I have 7, I'm going to count on 1, 8, 9, 10. I need 3 more to make 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. Okay, we're moving along. We're on to our page with our spinner. So I'm going to spin the first one. Then I'm going to spin the second one. Ooh, I have a 6 and a 6. I think I'm going to do addition for these. So I'm going to grab out my pen and I'm going to say 6 plus, I need that plus sign, 6. I don't have my mouse with me. This is a little bit harder. 6 plus 6 equals. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to circle 6 on my number line, and I'm going to hop up 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So my answer is 12. 6 plus 6 equals 12. We're going to do 2 more today. Ready? So I'm going to erase it. Erase, 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 erase. Erase, 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 erase. Spinning my spinners for a second time. Well, this one's going to be so easy. Let's do a subtraction with this one. We have 1 and a 2. I know I need to use the bigger number first, so I'm going to say 2 take away 1 equals. I'm going to use a picture for this one. So I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw 2 circles and I'm going to cross off 1 because that's what I do when I draw a picture. I draw the whole and then I take away that second number. So 2 take away 1 is, I've got 1 left. 2 take away 1 is 1. All right, our last problem today. Erase, 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 erase. Last spin of the day. Let's see, let's get a tough one. Let's get a challenge. I got 5 and it looks like a 2. We'll end today on addition. So I'm going to say 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2. There's my plus sign. Remember, my plus sign has 2 lines. My minus sign has 1. 5 plus 2. And I'm going to use my drawing again. So I'm going to use 5 circles first. And then I'm going to add 2 more circles. Now I'm going to count them out. 1, 2, well, do I have to even start there? I can even say 5. So I'm going to say 5. Now I'm going to count on 6, 7. I'm going to check my work to make sure that it's 7. So I'm going to circle 5 and I'm going to hop up 2. 1, 2. 5 plus 2 equals 7. And there is our calendar for today. I know on here some of you may have already done our roll to the finish online. If not, one of these days I will actually play it with you as our math time. All right, guys, see you later.